this is pretty much non-stop lightning. It hasn't stopped flickering yet. It doesn't look like the camera's picking up all of it, but it is just non-stop lightning. Still flickering. It has yet to stop flickering. We're going on, what, 45 seconds here? And it has yet to stop lightning. The news people just said that it does not look so tornadic. No circular activity. But the lightning has not let up. Again, I don't know how well the camera's picking this up because when I look at the screen, it looks pretty black. But as I'm sitting here looking outside, it is non-stop lightning flashes. We're 1 minute 30 seconds now, and we have not had any kind of a pause in the lightning. Literally no stop. Flipping crazy. I'd say that whatever machine the government uses to control the weather, it has gotten out of control now. They have screwed something up. It is still lightning. It has yet to stop. We're at 2 minutes and 23 seconds. The lightning has continued to flash this entire time. And it was flashing for several minutes before I started recording.